So we are walking outside. So what have we achieved here?
We can go there.
Let's go there. What's the remaining now? Yeah.
So the water is not.
Also 200 meters. So, Chairman, what can we say about the president going on?
But so far, if they come back,
Yes, I know.
guys, the water from there to the warfare.
That's the next. So how come the other one is? The other one is what? 40%. We came in to inspect one of the projects we were on before the state of emergency, and this project for us is very important because it's a project that connects the Ogbakiri people to the East-West Road with ease. In fact, let me commend the people of Ogbakiri, because the contractor, while I was on my way to this place, did inform me that they are one of the, what I call them, best host community. They never give them any trouble. And the reason is very simple. They understand the importance of this project. It is about them, and government is about the people. So I'm here to assure the good people of Emohua and Ogbakiri people in particular. The chairman is here as a witness that you can see that the contractor is back to site, that God willing, before the end of this year, by December, this project will be completed. Thank you. I